Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, it's our second day here in Boracay. And tonight will be the last night. Tomorrow we'll be checking out. For today, let's go first with our breakfast at the lobby. Let's go! What's nice about our room is it's near the pool and to the breakfast area. Dun sila in the main entrance. Tara, breakfast muna tayo. Ayan, dito kami nagpa-set up ng breakfast sa labas para beachfront. Ayan, ganda ng weather ngayon here in Boracay. For today's breakfast, I chose beef tapa and Nika chose corned beef. We are enjoying a very nice weather today in Bora. Look at that scene. Ang ganda, di ba? Tapos dito ka magbe-breakfast sa gilid. Saya. Boracay is so beautiful. Look at that. The sea meets the sky. And again, this is where we are staying, Boracay Sands Hotel at Station 3. Yan, sulit na sulit talaga pag beachfront ang hotel mo dito sa Boracay. This is the beautiful beachfront of Boracay Sands Hotel. Sulit pa rin talaga pag beachfront ang accommodation. We are done with our breakfast, so pero gusto ko pala mag-stay dito. People watching. And ganda kasi ng weather, oh. Sana hindi mo lang mamaya pag lumabas kami. Ngayon, bumalik muna tayo dito sa room. Mag-swimming daw si Nika dito sa pool. Pero siya na lang muna, natatamad ako. So, I'm high dito sa room. Si Nika nag-swimming sa labas. Let's see. Ayan pala siya. Sunod ko lang yata ito eh. Sunbathing kahit walang araw. Nag-swimming na ibang guest. Ayan. This is what is nice in our room. Paglabas mo, pool na. So, ayan. Tapos na mag-pool si Nika. And lalabas na kami to have our late lunch. Time check 2:30 in the afternoon. Well, let's go outside. Have our late lunch. Good luck. Okay, let's start the gala now. Ito yung pinaka-eskinita ng galing sa Sands going to the main road. Iingay yung wheelchair ko. So again, ayan, meron mga souvenir stalls dito sa eskinita ng road papuntang Sands at palabas ng road. Bigit-bigit tuloy dyan. Tapos meron pa rin yung banda. Let's go. So ayan, mas marami ditong stalls pag malapit na siya sa roadside, sa main road. So I think this is the E-Mall na tinatawag nila. Let's go. So ayan, lumabas na tayo ng E-Mall. So dito sa patay na punta sa gilid. Hindi mo kasi tinignan yung harapan eh. Main road na ulit tayo from E-Mall. Dito tayo kakain sa Island Izakaya. Finally, natagpuan na namin. So we're now inside Island Izakaya. Nice place. Combination ng bato at kubo. Here's the menu for the rice meals here at Island Izakaya. Pause nyo na lang to check. Thanks. here are the other menus. And again, pause na lang to check. Thank you. They're also providing cold towels to refresh yourself. And again, this is the ambience inside the restaurant. Comfortable naman ang seating and hindi rin mainit. And after a short while, isa-isa na rin naglalabasan yung mga orders namin ni Nika. Ayan, bacon cheese wrap. Order ni Nika yan. Tapos miso soup. In-order ko. Ang sarap nitong miso soup nila guys. Try nyo rin. Pag nag-Boracay kayo. Hey. Served hot and fresh. Here's my main dish. Tonkatsu don. Sarap din yan. Lambot ng meat. Ito, nag-order din ng oyster si Nika. Sarap din nito. Fresh. Yan, ubos na. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Bayad na si Nika. Sarap dito. Island Izakaya. Station 3 Boracay, Main Road. So, bill reveal sa mga lahat ng kinain namin. Ayan. Sulit naman siya. Sarap eh. They're also giving out PWD discount. Ayan. So, tara na. Stroll ulit sa labas. Going to bread and butter. Bibili daw ulit si Nika ng pasalubong. Yan, main road na kami. Going to bread and butter. Kaso maambon. Sana hindi lumakas. Lakad-lakad na naman kami. Sa main road. Maambon-ambon pero okay lang. At least malamig. Ayan, dito kami ulit sa Prime Bakery. Hindi ng mga bread and butter products. Like biscocho, ayan, ugoy-ugoy, toasted mamon, galletas, otap. So, ayan yung mga pinagbibili namin. And balik na ulit tayo sa accommodation. Lakad ulit tayo dyan. Ito pala yung Prime Bakery, yung nagbebenta ng bread and butter products. Tara, balik na tayo sa accommodation. Yan, nadaanan namin tong Station X. Try natin pumasok sa loob at mag-take ng pictures. Alam ko dyan din located yung U Hotel. So we're here inside Station X. Ayan siya. May mga stores and konting kainan. Parang siyang maliit na mall. Let's take photos. And here are our captured photos at Station X. Magutom, nag-minute burger pa, baon sa room. Hinahanap ko sana yung Chori Burger kaso wala dito sa Station 3 makita eh. Ayan, dito kami bumili ng mga souvenirs. Kasi maglalagay ng name dun sa wallet. Nagdadasal pa daw. Hintay pa namin. now we're done here at the souvenir shop. We'll be going back to our room. Pagod na pareho. We're back here at the beach side. Ang konti lang ng tao. And nandito rin tayo sa ating resort. So tara na, pasok na tayo sa room. We're back in the room. Ayan, dami pinili ni Nico. Sarap, aircon. Yan, papamassage daw si Nick dun sa baba. Pero ako dito mag-stay na lang sa room. And dito ko na rin tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!